On tonight's Next Time Try This segment, I want to talk to you about a question I get quite often. How to make a pipe look nice again. A lot of guys have pipes on their modern bikes or their vintage bikes, and they want to give it that look like when it came from the factory. That nice look where it was just welded and you see all different colors around the weld. So we're going to take this old Bultaco pipe, which I've taken the time to just clean up the weld on. I wire wheeled it and then I polished it a bit. Now we're going to take MAP gas, and I'm going to show you how you're going to get your pipe to look like it did from the factory once again, or pretty close. So a couple of things to keep in mind. Number one, you want to make your metal as clean as possible. When your pipe is new, you get that nice rainbow look on there when the heat goes around it because the metal is brand new. So if you have an old pipe, you want to sand it down, get it as clean as possible, maybe even polish it a little bit before you get started with the heat. The other thing is you want to wipe it down with alcohol or something that is going to cut any grease or oil off of it before you go on it with the heat. Tip number 3, very, very important. Don't keep the heat on too long. When you see it start to change color, take the heat away. If you leave it on too long, it's just going to get all gray and you're not going to get that nice colorful look that you're looking for when your pipe was new. Don't keep the heat on too long. And that's how you get your pipe to look like it did from the factory. Next time, try that.